Alrighty, I just brought this in from outside, and I see the tape has been cut on the box, so that's a good sign. I noticed the reviews that the last couple months that were done on these, the electronics have been updated, and I haven't seen any announcements by Arrma about it. But the last few reviews that came out, it came with a 665 servo instead of, I think it's supposed to be a 640 or something. And the ESC is no longer orange, it's the new V2 version of the ESC that's on my 6S Creighton EXB. And the other guys that had the updated versions, the tape was cut on their boxes as well, just like the Creightons, because they had to update the software. So let's pull this off and see what I got here. Everything's in here. I'm not going to use that transmitter, but speed gear, that's all there. Oh, I see they cut the straps too. Let's have a looky look. Just the front straps cut. Now, is this an updated one or not? It is. Got the new V2 Arrma ESC, and see it comes with the 665 servo now, so I got the newest version. Right on, nice to see. So this is all I'm going to do for the unboxing. It's just to confirm that I do have the new version. If you go on Arrma's website for this and go on the shoppable parts list, shows the new ESC on the parts list, but on the parts list it still shows the old servo. And I already ordered a fan for this. I got it downstairs. It came in yesterday. Ordered a fan, and I got the stiffer servo saver spring and a set of bearings to replace the bushings that they use in the steering linkage. Cool. So with that, I'll bring this to an end.